Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 5a and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's find the security and privacy option. Now we have to scroll down to find more security settings, and on the third position we've got encryption and credentials. And almost at the very bottom of this list we've got clear credentials option, so the option we're looking for. Let's simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. If you've got any kind of screen lock or says so the pattern PIN or password, then you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, the credential storage has been raised successfully. What's more, here we've got another evidence this option is inactive, which simply means that we cannot remove the credentials because we just did it. So basically that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your Google Pixel 5a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.